If you guys have been following me for some time now, you guys might have an idea. In my past videos, I've literally disclosed to you guys how I started out and at the same time what else I was doing to make money. I was selling websites, I was selling domains. That was like initial revenue source of making money. Sometimes it was just 3,000 rupees a week for me. That was enough back then, right? I had this mindset of, something is better than nothing. But specifically in today's video, let's say if you're someone who is in college, you have to look up to the studies, then you have to look up to the businesses, and you're just looking to make extra money that can just help you suffice your daily expenses or whatever you want to do with that extra income. We recently crossed more than 7 crores in revenue from a marketing agency in the last 4 years. And obviously that's a pretty big milestone for me personally. We started from nothing, but I want you guys to know reaching out to 7 crores is just not possible in just a matter of a year. It's going to take time unless you have a solid strategy, you're aware of the systems and how to get clients and how to scale. But I'm talking about majority of people here who don't have the right knowledge as of very now. You're looking forward to starting an agency, but at the same time you want to earn money. And thinking in that way is kind of justifiable, because when I first started out, I wanted to make that instant money. So I was selling website. I first sold my website for 13 to 14,000 rupees just using a Facebook group. So I created that website on Shopify and I reached out to potential buyers in Facebook group. And guess what? I sold that website. That was a home decor website that I created, and I sold it for 14,000 rupees to an Australian guy, and he paid me via PayPal. When I got a little bored of creating websites, I switched to domain flipping, and I have talked about domain flipping in my couple of videos, and most of you guys know what domain flipping is. And if you don't, so it's like buying domains at a low cost and then reselling those domains at a high cost at a different website. Right. So for an example, let's say you bought a domain xyz.com on let's say GoDaddy, right? Then you're going to list that domain on GoDaddy exchange, or not exchange, but maybe a brokerage where you can list all the domains so that people can reach out to you if they're interested in buying a domain. So let's say you bought a domain for $10. Now you can resell that domain for even $50-$60. And that's another, good way of making money online. But again, guys, you cannot just go out there and just buy any random domain. You should know how to do the research. Back then, I invested close to on 4,000-5,000 rupees. I got more than 30-40 domains, right? So it's like about volume. The more domains that you will be buying, the more chances would be there, like someone actually reaching out to you for those 40 domains. If you just have one domain, do you think like the probability is high someone would be reaching out to you for that specific domain? If you have 40, then you have a lot more probability of someone reaching out to you for those 40 domains. This video is specifically all about identify your interest, like what are you interested in, just to make that extra income. Go on Google, see what kind of side hustles are there and see which side hustle particularly resonates with you. And making money online is not for everyone. I had this one student, I cannot disclose his name. I gave him my one-on-one mentorship. He was a brilliant student and he was like literally following every single thing. He was getting results, but guess what? After 3-4 months, he stopped his agency and he switched to a family furniture business, and he just bought his second car. So it's all about passion. And I'm extremely proud of him. If you're watching it, sales is like a basic necessity if you want to make a business work. Let it be a traditional business or let it be a online business, right? Specifically, if we're talking about an online business, your offer is everything. I cannot insist on it. If you're offering them refund policy, if you're offering them, I can get you these many leads, I can get you these many appointments. Guys, offer attracts clients, offer attracts prospects, right? And if your offer is just, I'll get you like 30 leads, that's it. I don't have any refund policy. I don't guarantee you anything. Obviously, you're going to repel clients. They're going to get away from it. So you have to put something on the table with your clients. Like, John, I can get you these many leads, and if I'm unable to do that, I'll refund you. On top of that, I'll pay you $100. Just make it more captivating for them. Make your offer more attractive to your clients. And chances are high, like they might say, okay, I've never seen an offer like this in the market. Let's pull the trigger and let's give you guys a shot. So it's all about offer. And guys, to be very honest, if you do have like 3-4 hours in a day, spare 3-4 hours in a day, go on Facebook ad library, go on different websites, see just a normal research, not specifically anything, what different businesses are offering out there. It could be any business, guys, any business. And I'm talking about both traditional as well as an online business. Go out there and do some general research, because sometimes you just need to sit by all yourself, do the research and brainstorm all by yourself and see how creative and captivating ideas and offers you would come up with. Because I'm saying this from experience, I don't need no one. I can just sit by myself and I can go on Facebook ad library and I can just research random offers which I have no interest in, because eventually I can get more ideas in my mind, like how about I use this specific strategy for my agency? And guess what? It turns out to be good. So it's all about, putting in the hours, putting in the work. If you're selling any service, if you're selling any product, you need proof. People will be asking you, like, why should I buy this service? Why should I buy this product? Do you have any proof? So that's what I'm saying, guys. Initially, if you have any skill, that's very, very good. Start offering that skill for free. Build your case studies, build your social proof. And a lot of people, are opposed to working for free because obviously they're undervaluing themselves. But guess what, guys? No one is going to pay you until you have, something to show, and like something solid, like which can back you up in what you're saying. And let's say I'm saying, I can help you make 1 lakh rupees per month, and I'm offering that service to someone. He's going to ask me, Bhavesh, do you have any students or any case studies in the past where you helped specific person to make 1 lakh rupees in a month? And if I have, let's say, 5 students who made 1 lakh rupees per month in the first 30 days with me, the 6th person is going to pay me without even thinking twice, because I have case studies. And that's why case studies and having social proof is so much important. So if you're just starting out, here's a quick suggestion: start working for free until you have like 5, 6, 7 testimonials, video testimonials. It could be case studies, it could be just social proof, guys. Social proof is super, super important. And also, guys, if you're thinking, Bhavesh, I have the skill, but I don't know how to reach out to the clients. Guys, in the last 3-4 videos, I've just talked about how to get clients via different strategies. So check out the previous videos. You'll definitely get a lot of value out of it. The last suggestion for you guys is reinvesting. And reinvesting, it could be money, it could be time. Specifically, if we're talking about money, it could be investing in learning new skills. It could be reinvesting in terms of softwares that might, increase your probability of getting success with your business. And I've seen people, they make good money out of their agency, but they don't reinvest. Until now, we have reinvested a lot of money in testing out new leads and testing out new different softwares and testing out different employees. And over the last 4 years, we have lost a lot of money while reinvesting. And what I consider, it's part of the business, and you should also get used to it. Just 2 more things, guys. First is brainstorming. Just sit by yourself. If you have a partner, sit with them and brainstorm. What are we doing right now? How can we make it better? Ask these questions and see what you guys come up with. Because once you sit down and you are in that zone, we are completely focused, you get like crazy ideas. And once you start implementing those ideas, it's like a game changer for you guys. And it's like, it's just a matter of one idea that can just, turn your agency upside down. And I'm talking in terms of a positive way, right? Let's say you're just doing $4,000-$5,000 right now. Just using that one simple idea which you brainstorm with your partner or just by yourself, it can help you scale to like $10,000-$20,000. Who knows? So just sit by yourself and just start brainstorming. That's super important. And lastly, guys, whatever you do, I definitely suggest you this, to start building SOPs, because you guys are in your initial stages. So if you're going to start typing and writing down everything you're doing, so let's say if you even hire someone, or even if you add a co-founder or another partner, you can just like hand that SOP to the new guy and he would get used to whatever you were doing. So it's like you don't have to just sit on a Zoom call for 1 hour and then train him, because it takes a lot of time. And I've been through that, and it's just, very, very tedious task to be sitting with like new employees, training them and whatnot. Right now, I'm literally trainings covered, SOPs covered for my sales team, for my media buying team, for operations. Everything is covered. Even if we hire someone new, I don't have to go on a Zoom call with them. Obviously, we can just go on a Zoom call just to greet and meet and whatnot, but not for the training. But anyways, guys, that's all. Let me know what you think. And if you're someone who's already doing some kind of side hustle, do let us know in the comment section so that it can also help other people out there. And let me know your thoughts and your feedbacks, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys. Anyways, guys, keep taking action, and I'll be back with new video very soon for you guys.